much tire smoke. What's up guys? So I'm here at Aimer Engineering and they're working on the Evasive Motorsports Tesla Model 3 for the Pikes Peak. We'll check it out what they're working on. What up Sam? What up? What up Shimer?
What's up?
What's up Brandon? Right on, they're doing the cages. So okay, this cage it's almost finishing. The Brandon's almost finishing up right now.
Yeah.
Could you tell me a little bit about this?
Well, we bought this cage from Rob, Chair Slayer. It's already bent, laser cut, notched, and rolled, and all the good stuff. So basically, we put it together like Legos. We just clean them up, and we start putting the parts together, and you tack them. And you know, we started this cage literally yesterday, and by another half hour or so, it should be done complete. Usually, that would take about at least a week's worth of work if we started from scratch.
So it saves a lot of time for you.
Oh yeah, and even when you bend everything by hand, you're trying to do your best to keep everything exactly the same, but there's little variances. With it being done precisionally through CNC and laser cutting, it's able to be the same on both sides and perfect and super tight against the car.
And I think also because they use the 3D scanning.
Oh yeah,
that's what the perfect
that's what
fitment.
it starts with is
Right?
he 3D scans the car, and then he builds the cage inside the car through this 3D scan, and it's pretty impressive that, you know, not even having the car, you can put this cage together and it fit perfect every time.
All right, thanks a lot, Rob. Alright, so I'm at Evasive Motorsports and trying to see what the progress going on with the Model 3. And here's Mike. What up? Let me see what you got right now.
So you got the body kit from Artisan.
Alright.
Japan. The white fender.
Is that a prototype or...
No, actually we are taking orders for this. as
Oh
we
wow.
speak. Yeah, so this version has the cutout for the front louvers. There's a street one that seals shut. So
Got it.
It widens the front about 35 millimeters.
Okay.
And then you have the rear over here. Goes on like that.
Nice.
Pretty clean.
Yep. How many millimeter wide on the rear?
The rear is 45.
Okay.
Front's 35.
Gotcha. I guess you guys are gonna cut the fender first, but...
Yeah, we're gonna cut it and then put it on. Probably towards the end.
Okay. And looks like you guys are working on a cooling system.
Yep. JJ is
What's up, JJ?
the new radiator for the battery pack. You can tell it's a lot bigger than the stock one. And then
Yeah.
we're mounting it in a location where it's kind of a V-mount. Where the
Okay.
air goes through out the hood.
And you got the carbon fiber dash, I guess?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay.
Just for looks.
That's about it?
Yeah.
You got the cage in already?
Cage in.
Yeah.
I tried to take out the sound bending, but
Okay.
it started cutting out my fingers, so I stopped.
Oh, you did it yourself?
Yeah, man.
Oh, wow. What up, Kel? What are you working on right now?
We got some blocks for
Ooh.
the car. Had some cooling here and there.
Coming, going to here. Nice. What's up, Tony? We got the seat, right?
Yeah.
Let's take a look. Oh, the safety gear from Sparkle, and this one is QRT carbon Kevlar, which I use the same seat for the 86R. It's super light, right? Holy smoke! I can just lift it easily. Cool. Get shit done.
We got this spherical bearing we made on the Haas here.
Haha, in-house made.
Placed all the rotor bushing.
So this was here.
Yeah, so this is the bushing that used to go in there.
So ditch the rubber and it's all solid.
Yep, especially on slicks.
Alright, alright. So yeah, what's going on, Mike?
So doors, we're installing the doors right now,
Yeah.
the carbon doors. Mounted the dash, the center screen, front brakes at least for now.
Damn. Brembo.
Front cooling, radiator,
Oh, nice.
hood vent. Skin it.
Since we're revamping the coolant system, we're mostly reusing Tesla's factory water pump system. All of their like factory coolant. We're just kind of beefing up our strategy. But they actually make all of their own fittings. They have a custom sized fitting. So in order to plumb into their coolant system, we have to make our own AN adapters
Gotcha.
for their
Wow.
fittings.
Good thing you got this machine right here.
Yeah. This is an OE fitting, and
Yeah.
then this is the one we make.
Oh.
Just on one side is AN for us.
I see.
Unless you do use it here, or wherever has
White body with the carbon doors. Nice. Oh wow. This seat doesn't offer the skinny size, which I'm kind of skinny size, so I got this custom made padding. Right on. Fits perfectly. I guess I can still do a little fine tune with the car. Might need to take these out. So today is the day before we are unveiling the car, and I'm with Mike. Could you show me around what's the update you got? Looks like the car is almost complete.
So the wing is on.
Voltex wing.
Voltex, dry carbon, type 13 wing.
Wow,
Yeah, it's pretty big.
it's hard as my just kidding.
Doors are on.
It's all
Brakes.
wrapped. Okay, Brembo.
We got the custom electronic e-brake, the KWs, the new 3-way Motorsport on all the arms, spherical bushings. Same thing in the front, the brakes, suspension.
Yeah, big Brembos.
Yeah.
KW 3-ways.
I was working on the splitter.
Oh,
This kind of came a little late, so it's the last thing to go on.
Kale doesn't seem super happy, but it looks pretty nice product right here.
It's pretty stiff.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
We'll make do.
Yeah, it's a splitter, and then front end is pretty much all on the hood. You got the vented hood, the radiator is all in there.
Oh sh.
Yeah, so we got the aero disc,
Nice.
the custom CNC center nut that holds it in place.
Wow. That's cool, man.
Yeah, see the roof. Roof is in now. The carbon Kevlar roof, dash, steering wheel. You got your custom controls. Still the factory
Nice.
controls still here, so we didn't lose that. And then you got your favorite sparkle steering wheel, the seats. That's pretty much it.
All right. OMG. Oh, you gonna cover it? Fine then.
Unfortunately, we haven't had testing yet. So we're testing next week, right?
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna say I'm really excited to try this because it's super cool. Woo! And then, thank you guys for coming out and enjoy the night.